Okay, now we're gonna do some seared chicken. So these are chicken breasts. I'm gonna actually add a little salt and pepper, some kosher salt, black pepper. And my buddy, Stephen Bate, he's got his Pop Secret Seasoning Original, which is just amazing. It's got garlic, cayenne, paprika, onions, garlic, I think I already said, and rosemary, that's true, and parsley. It's just amazing. So you sprinkle this, and it's low sodium. That's what I love about this. So you can be really good and liberal with it, so I get a lot of flavor in it. And then while this pan's getting hot, put the pan here. We're gonna get it smoking hot. And what we want is you want that smoke, right? That's when you know you're there. And what I like to do. So we got the smoke. Then away from you, always away. You can grab that end of the chicken in the pan, seasoned down, right? Okay. Then same thing. Let's season it again. So we're going to season this side of it. Back with pops. What we're looking for, you can already see it, it's getting opaque in color, which is good. And then we're gonna add some butter to this too. Back to my nice Amish butter. I love this butter. You know, if the Amish are making it, it's gotta be good. Oh, so good. Okay, so we'll cut a little wedge of that instead. Now I'm gonna take a peek because I don't want to burn it, but I want to get a good sear. So that's good caramelization. Now we're searing that side. I'm gonna cut the butter. Put a nice knob of butter in there. So you can, people might not know this, but you can baste chicken too. It doesn't have to be just steaks. We'll put that in. So use a nice big spoon. You want to melt it.
Hold on one second. Don't say anything important. I got a low battery warning on my phone.
Okay. So. Okay. Then while that's searing, same thing you can do with the steak. So you can use garlic, right? And I like to put it with the husk. That way it doesn't burn, but it's going to add flavor to the pan. So put a couple of those in. And then you could use rosemary, thyme. I got some thyme from the garden, so we'll put a chunk of thyme in there. Be careful when you do put it in, it's going to splatter a little bit, so you can see it popping. Then, we're getting a good sear. So you can see it's already searing on that side, which is great. We'll flip it. You can even with steaks, like sear it on this side too. So sometimes I'll move it in. This is a pro chef tip right here. So I'll move it on to basically gravity hold it right there so it's searing that side. Push those garlic and everything back into it. Then you can start to baste. Then these are really thick, so you are going to need to finish these in the oven. So once I get it to about here, and I know I've got a nice brown crust on all the sides, I'm going to finish this in the oven. And that's just going to take about 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Beautiful. So we're just going to pop it in the whole thing like this. Hey Matt, I set a timer for 4 minutes. Okay. Next, we're right into the vegetables.
That's good. Yeah, it's all looking good. Move this up just a hair, okay.
We're right into the vegetables. Maybe the next one. And then we're officially, that one we got. Oh, we want focus on the sizzle and the flipping. So we might want to do the SMR of the sizzling of the chicken. What do you think about that?
Yes, sure.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it out and we'll. Sizzle. And even the spooning.
I'm worried we're gonna overcook your chicken, you know.
No, you're good. It's actually gonna be perfect.
There, that.
You ready?
Yeah.
Good sizzle. Back in the oven. Okay. Then we're gonna go right into the vegetables. Now, what I really want is I want you to get some like slow motion shots of me sauteing it
Okay.
once it gets going.
Alright.
Now I'm
gonna
thinking that's where
stop
we'll
on
move
this.
it here.
Camera real quick and just